Hey guys, this is Zion with Listing Masters. We've noticed that a lot of people know or want to move and improve their location or improve their house, but they can't really find something as good as what they're living at because so much stuff is overpriced and outdated. So give us a call because we're uniquely able to help people like this. We'll show you how you can make tens of thousands of dollars more than what you thought you could when you go to sell your home, and you can spend tens of thousands of dollars less on the new home that you're going to buy. Because at Listing Masters, we've combined our construction team with our real estate team. We are uniquely able to help people like you so that you can get the extra space that you need or move to a new area that you need to move to. We help empower buyers and sellers in a way that no other real estate company can. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our channel.